All right, hello guys. So today we are going to be talking about what we call the central dogma of biology. So anything that is actually considered a dogma is a belief system. Okay, so anything that is a dogma, this word right here, that is some sort of a belief system. The basic belief system of biology is that DNA in our bodies, in our nuclei of our cells, needs to get converted into something called RNA. Okay? The reason why is because inside of our DNA, that's where all of our genes are. Okay, this is where all of our genes are that say blue eyes, blonde hair, brown hair, black hair, dark colored skin, olive colored skin, has the ability to break down lactose, doesn't. All of the traits that make you you have to come to fruition in some way, shape, or form. And the way that they do that is they have to eventually go to the ribosomes to be made into the proteins and enzymes that make you you. But our DNA is in our nucleus. Oh my gosh, that writing is so bad. And it has to get to the ribosomes to be turned into protein. Okay? So the way that we get it from here to here is via our little messenger in the middle. And our messenger happens to be RNA. So we need to talk about what RNA is. So basically how this works is DNA is in your nucleus, as we said before, and that contains all the instructions. RNA is a transcript, so it's like a copy of our DNA message. We have to keep our hard copy safe in our nucleus. So what happens is our RNA message is like a CD that we burn from our computer, and that gets translated into music. So if it's a CD, it's going to get translated into music. However, the caveat to this is that RNA is really, really unstable actually outside of the nucleus. So it breaks down over time, just like CDs can get scratched and broken and different stuff like that. Okay. The proteins that are made at the end are not easily degradable. Okay. So once they get made into proteins, those aren't easily degraded, and then they can be made into eye color and skin color and fur color and different enzymes that break down stuff in your body, and a lot of really, really cool stuff. So just a super basic review what RNA is. It's a single-stranded molecule. So DNA is a double helix. RNA is a single helix. And uracil replaces thymine. So instead of A matching up with T, A is going to match up with U. And then RNA, because it's just ribose sugar, not deoxyribose sugar. So just ribose, not deoxyribose. So RNA stands for ribose nucleic acid. Right. So over there on the left, that is one of our molecules of RNA. And on the right is our molecule of DNA. So you can see the difference there. But within all of these different types of RNA, there are actually 3 different individual types. Our first type is called a messenger RNA, and it does exactly what you kind of think it does. It's a messenger. It's a go-between. So messenger RNA is actually the thing that carries the instructions from the DNA of the nucleus to the ribosomes. That's our messenger. That's our little go-between. So remember, genes, those are the instructions. The genes originally are on the DNA. The RNA carries them to the ribosomes. This next guy is ribosomal RNA. So ribosomes are actually made up of RNA. And all of these little things, all these little loops and twists and turns, these are all made of RNA. And that's what actually makes up ribosomes. So ribosomal RNA, or rRNA, is what ribosomes are made up of. And remember, where are ribosomes made? If you said the nucleolus that is in the nucleus, you are correct. Good job. High five to you. The last type of RNA that we are going to talk about today is tRNA. And it is shaped like this. It's literally shaped like a T. So thank you, scientists, for naming that something that we can actually use. It is also called transfer RNA. Okay. And what happens with this is the RNA molecule contains something called an anticodon. This is all going to make a little more sense later. That matches with the codon on the mRNA. So what it's kind of like is a secret decoder ring. And the tRNA is actually the thing that brings amino acids to the ribosome, because proteins are made of amino acids. So these guys help and be like the little builders that bring all the amino acids. They bring all the construction materials to the ribosome, and the ribosome is actually what puts them all together. Okay. So what I want you guys to watch next, there is actually another type of RNA. I know I said tRNA was the last one we're going to talk about, but there are actually like 20 different types of RNA. The other one that is really, really, really cool is something called RNAi, or RNA interference. And there's another YouTube video I'm going to link you guys to, because it explains it so much better than I ever could, with all the pictures and videos and all that cool stuff. So I'm going to link that video for you guys so you can watch that. But thanks for tuning in, and if you are watching us on our cold or snow day, be safe and have fun and have a great day.